Right now, an invisible shield is protecting you. It blocks a constant storm of radiation pouring in from the sun and deep space. Without it, our atmosphere would slowly be stripped away, just like it happened on Mars billions of years ago. But here's the thing, that shield has a weak spot, a dent sitting over South America and the South Atlantic Ocean. It's bigger than the entire United States. And year after year, it keeps growing. NASA is watching it very closely. Engineers have a nickname for this region. They call it the Bermuda Triangle of space, and inside it, strange things keep happening. When the Hubble Space Telescope passes through, it stops taking observations. The International Space Station carries extra shielding just for this zone. Astronauts flying through it have reported seeing bright flashes of light, even with their eyes closed. Here's why. The magnetic field there is weak, so radiation from space dips much closer to Earth than anywhere else on the planet. Charged particles slam into electronics, flip bits in computer memory, and slowly fry sensors. A single particle can freeze a satellite's brain. Down here, it's harmless. The atmosphere still protects us. But for anything flying above, this dent is a serious problem. And recently, scientists noticed something they didn't expect. The anomaly isn't just growing. It's splitting in two. Data from a group of satellites called Swarm showed the weak zone slowly dividing, one cell near South America, another forming off Africa. Nobody knows for sure what that means. Some call it a temporary wobble. Others think it's the start of something much bigger. To understand which one it is, we need to go deep, because the source of the magnetic field is buried far beneath your feet. Deep inside our planet lies an ocean, not of water, but of metal, liquid iron, hot as the sun's surface. That moving metal works like a giant natural generator. It creates electric currents, and those currents create the magnetic shield around our planet. Scientists call it the geodynamo. It's run for billions of years, and it has weather made of molten iron. And under Africa, seismic scans revealed something strange. A massive, dense structure sitting at the edge of the core, the size of a continent. Nobody knows what it is. Some scientists think it might be a leftover piece of an ancient planet that crashed into Earth long ago. Whatever it is, it disturbs the flow of liquid iron around it, like a giant boulder sitting in the middle of a fast river. The anomaly isn't a hole in the sky. It's the shadow of something buried deep inside our planet. So here's the question everyone asks next. Is the shield failing? Over the last 2 centuries, it has lost about 9% of its strength. And ancient rocks tell us Earth's magnetic poles have flipped before, north becoming south. It's happened hundreds of times in our planet's history. The last full flip was about 780,000 years ago, which means, statistically speaking, we are overdue. Movies love this scenario, compasses spinning, satellites falling from the sky. But before you pack a survival kit, here's what scientists actually found. Volcanic rocks and ancient clay pots lock in a record of the magnetic field from the moment they cooled. They're like tiny time capsules. And samples from Africa revealed a surprise. A weak spot, just like today's, appeared in the same region centuries ago, and then it recovered. Even if a flip did begin, it would take thousands of years. The field doesn't switch off. It just gets messy for a while. The real headache would be our technology, satellites, power grids, navigation. For now, the plan is simple. Watch it closely. If your GPS acts up, remember, it could be a message from deep below. And stay on the bright side.